DeFi 2.0, everything you need to know. In early 2019, the DeFi lending platform, mainly MakerDAO, had a TVL of $270 million. That momentum continued until 2020, until Compound launched the governance token COMP. This caused madness and launched the first call to run out of Liquidity. By December 2021, DeFi's TVL increased 990 times to reach $249 billion. Some of the most critical projects that have emerged are Curve, Aave, Compound, MakerDAO, SushiSwap, Yearn Finance. As new projects hit the market and these early players evolved, many investors began to use DeFi 2.0. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on DeFi 2.0. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any questions and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. What is DeFi 2.0? DeFi 2.0 is a movement that attempts to update and fix problems with the original DeFi wave. DeFi is revolutionary in providing decentralized financial services to cryptocurrency wallets, but it still has its weaknesses. DeFi 2.0. It would be best to go beyond the previous bootstrap mechanism implemented by the early protocols. Indeed, liquid mining APY is a wise customer acquisition process, but it ultimately failed due to the long-term success of the product. What are the DeFi limits? Scalability. Blockchain DeFi protocols with high traffic and gas charges often provide slow and expensive services. Simple tasks can be too time-consuming and cost inefficient. Oracle and third-party information. Financial instruments that rely on external details require higher quality Oracle third-party data source. Centralization. Strengthening decentralization should be a DeFi goal. However, many projects do not yet have DAO principles. Security. Most users are spending millions of dollars on smart contracts that they don't know if they can be used safely. Security reviews have been conducted but reduced as updates are made. Liquidity. In most cases, the tokens used in the liquidity pool cannot be used anywhere else, resulting in capital inefficiencies. DeFi 2.0 and the quest for sustainable liquidity. In the context of liquidity, DeFi 2.0 provides alternatives and additions to the harvest farming model and allows the project to gain long-term sustainable liquidity. But how do blockchain-based projects with native tokens get healthy, ideally distributed liquidity? Olympus DAO and protocol-owned liquidity. One of the solutions that came to the forefront of the DeFi community in 2021 is the Olympus DAO bonding model with a focus on protocol-owned liquidity, POL. Olympus DAO uses bonds to exchange third-party LP tokens at a discounted price on the protocol's native tokens. This is an advantage for protocols and all projects that use protocols. Bonds allow logs to purchase their liquidity, eliminate the possibility of liquidity outflows, and build a permanent pool that can also generate log review. On the other hand, the protocol offers discounts on tokens, so users are encouraged to exchange LP tokens for bonds. For example, if the price of token X is $500 with a 10% discount, the user can bind an LP token worth $450 and get $500 with token X, a net profit of $50, but a short vesting schedule, usually about 5 days to a week, is applied to prevent the arbiter from gaining value. Another critical aspect of liquidity-oriented bonds is that bond prices can change dynamically and caps can be fixed. This serves an essential purpose of the protocol, allowing tokens to control two levers: the exchange rate exchanged for liquidity and the total amount of liquidity exchanged. If too many users buy bonds, the discount rate will drop and even be harmful to control the rate at which the protocol's token supply increases. Liquidity will grow in the long run in the future simply because its need is substantial and realistic. Taking advantage of the amount of TVL tied to the DeFi ecosystem, the capital of these enterprise products could increase further in the future. The remaining two groups are stablecoins and bonding DAO. This is a temporary phenomenon. Stablecoin is now clearly over-dominated by ropes, and the attitude of the majority of users towards holding stablecoins has not changed much. The shift will tend to move towards USDC, another traditional bank-backed asset, rather than trusting the new network. The bonding DAO is an innovative model that uses game theory to manage the system and ensure everyone is working towards victory. However, the amount of tokens held by participating individuals and organizations is unclear. so the risk of token dumps and system tampering remains very high. And keep in mind that even if this is a new model, it's still a variant of the agricultural model and relies heavily on game developers. Final verdict. DeFi 2.0 claims to be a solution to the shortcomings of DeFi 1.0. Both have the same goal, but the protocol is crucial in lifespan. Anyway, decentralized financing is a good concept, especially for consumers, but it's clear over time whether DeFi 2.0 will continue to rise.